3. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, Parrots and More. If you're new here, thank you for clicking on this video, and please subscribe to this channel to get more videos about parrots. And today in my video, I'm going to be showing you that I got this bird, and it's our family bird, and we're going to name it Picasso. And we got it today, and it's a beautiful cockatiel. Stay tuned for this video. Thank you. We got a cockatiel from a bird store, and it's still a baby, so we had to hand feed it, but we're so excited to get a bird. We're gonna see the bird. Oh, I don't think it wants to come out, but it's a baby cockatiel. We're gonna name it Picasso. And it's like 2 months old.
I love Picasso. Oh, he has big wings.
Aww.
He has big wings.
Oh,
He's so cute.
see? He's so cute.
He can actually stay on that house.
Aww.
He has a big eye. It's fully black. It's kind of brown too if you look close.
Aww.
I like the little cheek thingy they have.
Yeah, it's so cute. So he's a pied mutation. And he has like yellow. You see that? Right there. He's super cute. It's a little mohawk thingy. So cute.
He has a big mohawk.
Come here.
He's like, I'm not trained. He has cool little hair.
Good boy.
And the thing goes up when it's down. Let me see.
So right here, he's like kind of cinnamon. He's like a little cinnamon, and his cheeks. We don't know his gender yet, but when it's older, we're gonna find out his gender.
Most likely we think of the boy.
Yeah. We just got him today, and thank you for watching this video. Bye.